Here we go now, steady.
Somebody scream if you want to go higher!
Extreme power.
I'm so happy to see this back out. And a massive credit to Leigh, David Ward and everybody who got involved to help bring this back and doing what it does best. And also loving the backlash, decorated by Billy Bernard Hill.
Okay, girls, somebody scream now!
Here we go.
Extreme power. It's number one. It's number one.
I'll tell you what, it's also a lot smoother than what it was previously. It's definitely back and better than ever before.
Okay, this last ride, let's let this one next line.
I don't normally do this, but I thought I'd also show you in finer detail the work by Billy Bernard Hill. And there you have it.